Hey, what's up, guys? It's your Sham with another video helping you to turn your trading journey into success. Welcome to Canvic Traders YouTube channel, and in today's video, we are going to discuss about how to earn 1 lakh per month in 180 days. Yes, you heard it right. So, how it is possible, what kind of a strategy we should use, and what is the roadmap? I'll explain you today. So, be patient with me and don't skip the video, just watch it till end so you'll get a better picture. So without any ado, let's jump into the video. Welcome back, and today's video we are going to discuss the strategy first, then I'll show you the planning also, or you can call it as a roadmap to 1 lakh per month in 180 days. Okay, you have to promise me that you are going to follow whatever I'm going to teach you today, and discipline is very important thing. If you don't follow this, it's very hard to achieve this goal. Okay, hope you all with me. Okay, one more important thing is that if you are ready to accept this challenge, and if you are confident that yes, I am going to accept this challenge and I will achieve 1 lakh per month in 180 days, then only you can continue this video. Otherwise it's a time waste for you. You can pause or skip this video and go for another video. Okay, so if you are 100% confident about it and sure about it to follow this further and going to achieve this 1 lakh per month, then only please continue. Okay, so I'm taking the options chart and it's a 5 minutes one. Okay, I'm directly going to the indicators. Okay, I'm adding the VWAP now. This is the first indicator, that's a default. Okay, and then another one is super trend, and the values must be 10 is the length. Okay, factor must be 2, change it, and please make a note of these indicators so that will be easier for you to, after this video, you can revise this for my comfort. 51 and 49, it's just for my comfort only, and I'm changing into black color. Okay, we have another indicator that's change the candles into Heikin Ashi. Okay, so this is our simple setup, and I'm saving it also. Okay, and the rules are like this. First rule is that the RSI should be above 51 or 50. Okay, and the second rule is that the green candle close, not crossing or not reaching or not anything else. Only we need to look for the candle closing. Okay, once the green candle, Heikin Ashi green candle is closed about the VWAP and super trend, then it's ready. And finally you have to check this RSI also above 50, then we can take entry. And where is the stop loss? Stop loss must be before candle closing. Okay, or you can take swing low of the before also. In this situation you can take this as a stop loss, or before candle closing, this is the stop loss, you can take it. Okay, and we need only 10 points from in this strategy. I'll tell you why 10 points only. My entry would be around 247 and stop loss would be around 242. Okay, so it's just 5 points in Nifty, and we have achieved the almost 240 to 270, almost 30 to 50 points also. So how to trail the stop loss? If you get the red candle, red Heikin Ashi candle, you can exit, or once the RSI is breaking the 50 levels, so in that case also you can exit. Okay, so I'm not getting any signal here. Do one thing and divide this screen into 2 parts. Okay, this is CE, right? And take the ATM PE also. 15,500 and P. This is the weekly options. Okay, in once it is giving red candles means another one it will give you the green candles. So we required only 10 points per day to achieve this goal. Yes, I'm not joking guys. Okay, I'll tell you how to achieve these also in the coming up video. Okay, so this is all about the strategy, and no need to check the main chart, whatever the Nifty or Bank Nifty. It works better on Nifty because the movements also less, and we required just 10 points. Okay, so this is all about the strategy. If you have any doubt or need any more clarification, do comment below. I'll revert it as early as possible. Okay, let's see the roadmap. Okay, so this is the planning chart or roadmap for the how to get 1 lakh in 180 days. So I'm taking as a 10 days and one lot. Nifty lot size must be 75, right? So points required, I told you, right? We just need 10 points. So total 7,500, and we require 10 points, right? So per day it would be 750 rupees. If we get the profit on that day, 750 into 10 days is equal to 7,500. Okay, so once you achieved this 7,500, why I'm considering 10 days only for month? Because the another 10 days would be might be stop loss or no trade zones. So that's why I'm calculating the half only, 50% of the days only I'm calculating as a profitable days, because I'm taking 50-50. That's a fair enough, right? So second, whenever you achieve this, again 10 days. In this case you're changing the lot size into 2, so same 75 lots and 10 points only. Okay, we are not pressurizing ourselves by keeping more targets and something like that. Okay, at any stage we required only 10 points. That's enough, right? That's better also as per the psychology. Okay, so in this case we can get 15,000 per month, right? So this is the second month. Okay, so let's see, I already made a calculation like this. Okay, this is the first 10 days 7,500 and second one, and once you achieved this 15,000 in 10 days or 20 days or 30 days also, you can change into 4 lots. Okay, and then 6 lots. We are not doubling here. Okay, till this point only we are doubling because of the small lot size. Then only from this stage we are just adding 2 more lots. That's it. 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 just 2 lots only. Okay, in this way on 8th stage again I'm taking the same 10 days only, and lots we are dealing with the 14 lots, and lot size would be 75 into 14, 1050. That overall quantity I'm mentioning here. And the beauty of this planning and this strategy is still we require that 10 points only. We are already becoming a habitude or becoming a master, becoming confident on catching the 10 points in a whole day in the Nifty is not a simple thing. Of course it's not very easy, but it's not very hard also. After you trying 70 days, look at there. Okay, or 3-4 months, I can say that after taking the 3-4 months working on the same strategy, by catching a 10 points in a day, it's not a big deal to catch you for 14 lots, again the same lots only. In this scenario your psychology also is stating that I can catch 10 points in a day. That's not a big deal, because from last 2 to 3 months I'm doing the same, right? So I'm not going to catch I'm not asking you to catch 100 points or 200 points in Nifty, which is not at all possible on buy side also. If it is Bank Nifty, yes we can, but in Nifty it's hard to catch that much points. So we can catch 10 points in Nifty, and this much experience you can easily get 1,05,000. So if the brokerage, if you remove all these things, around 2 to 5% also, you can get 1 lakh. So afterwards also you no need to increase the lot size. You can continue either 12 or 14 also. No, I'm not comfortable with 14 lots. I'm okay with if I get 45,000, that's fair enough. With the 6 lots, you can get 45,000 on every monthly basis. No need to learn another strategy. No need to pay lakhs of rupees for this. Simple. I'm giving it to you as a value added for my subscribers only. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please hit on the subscribe button, and if you're first time visiting, also please go and hit the subscribe button and like button. Okay, if you find any difficulties or you think it is not possible or do you think it's impossible, please comment your opinion in the comment box. Okay, hope you liked the video. Thank you so much. Please do share with your trading friends and relatives. Thank you so much. This is Shyam. Bye bye.